Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Sarah. Happy New Week. I hope you guys are doing great. We're back again here today with another video analysis for the price of gold, XAUUSD. We're going to take a look at gold. Okay, I'm going to do a drop down analysis starting from the daily time frame, and then I'll drop all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we're also going to look at the previous analysis that we did to say what has played out so far, like whether the analysis played out or not. If you don't know what the analysis was, please watch the previous analysis before this one. This was like, I believe, a few days ago on, I can't remember which day exactly. Just look on the channel. I'm actually going to tag it on this video towards the end. You should be able to see a link that will lead you to that analysis, just in case you're wondering, okay? But it's not really important because it has already played out. So yeah, so let's take a look at it now. Before we get into it, if this is your first time joining the channel, then welcome. It's great to have you here. My name is Sarah, and on this channel I provide you guys with basic trading knowledge, and I also analyze the price of Forex, a few Forex pairs like gold, GBP, USD. I do also analyze Bitcoin, although it's been a while since I've analyzed those pairs. I will, within this next new year that's coming, I'm going to start making more analysis on those other pairs. But for now, we're going to just analyze gold. Okay. So, but yeah, this is what I do on the channel. I do analysis on Forex and Bitcoin, and also provide you guys with basic trading knowledge. Great place to be in, great channel, great community to be a part of. If you're someone that's interested in learning about Forex trading, if you want to learn all the basic stuff about trading, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also join my free Telegram community to stay connected. The link to the Telegram channel is listed below the description of this video. Please make sure to also give this video a thumbs up. I truly, truly appreciate it. Feel free to share this channel, the link to this channel, with your friends and family as well. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna just analyze. Let's look at what happened from our last analysis. So last analysis, there was an area that I told you guys to look for buy on gold, which is basically this fair value gap right here. So this purple box, this was an area to actually look for a buy. At the moment of analyzing this, gold was like up here. It was like up here around. Actually, I think it was right here. Yeah, it was around 4,480 approximately, right? And then we saw how price was reacting on this fair value gap. It kind of like bounced off, but I told you guys, if you want to go long, like if you want to buy, the best area would be down here around 4,460. So between 4,460 and 4,430, this would have been a good area zone to actually buy gold from. And then when you buy there, you can basically just keep holding that trade for a while until price gets to like 4,600, because this is one of the main targets. This is like halfway to the main target. Like the main target where I'm expecting gold to get to is 4,800, approximately like 850 to be exact. This is where I'm expecting price of gold to get to eventually. So yeah, so this is the main target, but 600, is like a good area to also get out in case you don't want to keep holding to 4,800, because that might actually take a while for the price to get there. So yeah, so if you took this buy at that area, this would have been a perfect area to buy. You can see how market actually came to that area, right? Look at that, price came to this fair value gap here, and then it was able to hold it, and then it bounced back up, continue going higher. Price has been able to go so far to 4,550, right? And it's going to keep going higher. Like right now, you want to be just looking to buy gold, guys. The price is going to go up. It's going to keep going up until it gets to at least 4,600. And then we might see like, not guaranteed, but we might see like a major crash around that area. But remember, it's going to keep going up until we arrive to the main target, which is up here around 4,850 approximately, right? So the best trading opportunities to be looking for right now on gold is buy, okay, in the long term, of course. So this zone has already been respected, price already bought from there, right? And then our stop loss, which is down here around 4,412, right? This is like where our stop loss approximately is at. So if you buy here, good, keep holding that trade. There's no reason to like close that trade. If you're still holding it, keep holding it. If price ends up returning back to this zone that we bought from again, it's better to just close the trade at break even. Okay. So now Let's reanalyze the market to see areas where we could look for potential buys. For those who did not buy at this area, let's see where is the next safe area for you to buy. We're going to analyze it. Now, before I get into that, I'm going to just quickly go to the daily time frame so we can look at why I'm saying price is going to go up here. Although I'm not going to like fully give you guys the reason, but let me just give you like a short reason, okay? Why? So price of gold initially like few weeks ago, okay, few weeks ago before we saw this massive move to where price is at the moment, right? Price of gold actually had a previous all-time high right here, which was at 4,380 approximately, or 83. You know, this was back in October 2025. Gold actually was in a very strong uptrend here. It was going up. And then when it got to 4,381 or 83, we saw massive rejection. Price literally just dropped all the way down to like 3,886, right? So this was like a very strong rejection. And then this made this area here, 4,381 or 83 as a strong resistance. It also made it the current all-time high, or let's say the previous all-time high. Okay, so that was the previous all-time high. So now this is an uptrend. Price is an uptrend. And if this uptrend is going to continue, then the price needs to come and break this previous all-time. Once price is able to break this previous all-time high, now there's a specific area it's supposed to actually go to. This is something that I teach in my trading class. If you want to learn how I know exactly where price is going, like why price should be going up here, make sure you join the trading class. There's a form below this description of this video, which you can go ahead and fail to join the trading class. Okay, well, yeah, so because price was able to now break this previous all-time high of 4,383, now I know exactly where price is going. Now I know price is extremely bullish. It's going to go all the way up to 4,850 approximately. Okay, so this analysis is because of what's happening on the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame on gold, it is currently bullish. All right, we have the current daily candle is actually right here. It also closed bullish. So the next daily candle that's going to start is most likely also going to be bullish as well. Okay, this is based on the daily time frame. Now on this daily time frame, if we were going to look for buy, okay, at the moment, like let's say from where price is right now, if for whatever reason market decides to just suddenly this dump, okay, then the best area where you could look to go long would be down here around 4,344, 4,335. This is going to be a really good area to go long if for whatever reason price decides to actually dump from where it is. Okay, so that's one potential area to look for long based on the daily time frame. Okay, so now we're going to the 1 hour time frame. Let's now go and reanalyze the chart. All right, so I want to just shift this box marking the previous higher high, and then let me delete this purple box here, and then this one as well. It's not needed. So now we have our previous higher high and higher low. So we want to see what's inside this box here. So we want to see what is a good area to actually potentially go long in this zone here that we have. We do have an FEG right here. Okay, so here we actually have a really good area to look for a buy. Okay, so this is going to be a potential area to actually look for long if gold decides to buy to come here. This is 4,000, between 4,003, or should I say 4,483 and 4,468. Okay, so this is going to be an area to actually look for long. If you're trying to go long, highly do not recommend going long where the price is at the moment. It's always very risky to try to go long when price is basically creating a new high or it is at a resistance. Never a good area. It's best to either wait for price to break the current resistance to go higher, or for it to come at a support for you to actually go long. So for me, this here would be the best area for me to actually go long again if I was looking to go long. And then when I go long here, just keep holding the trade until that main price target. Your stop loss should be like, you know, below this low, I think would be a good area to set your stop loss. Okay, so you want to enter this long anywhere between 4,483, 4,468 approximately. Okay. And then target, our target is still 4,650, approximately. Okay. So this is the next area where you want to look to buy gold if price comes to that area. If it doesn't, then I'm going to be coming back again tomorrow to reanalyze the market so we can mark the new zones. All right. But other than that, this is all I have to say for gold. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye for now.